Good evening, America. I would like to talk about this evening. It's something that's been a touchy subject for everybody for the last, I know it's been 20 years. Healthcare reform. What I'm getting out of this healthcare thing is, I don't really understand a lot about what should be done, what needs to be done, but I do know all Americans need affordable health care. This country needs affordable health care. Everyone needs affordable health care. And I just feel that America, we have to find a way to do this. President Obama said that we need to do it soon and we need to do it right now. And I agree with that to a point. But as I said, there are like 5 plans on the table now that's in front of the Congress, and we have to pick out the good parts of each plan to make the whole thing work. And this is a good thing now. This is a good thing to pick out the good parts of every plan. But, I would go back to something that was said by John Wooden, the legendary coach of UCLA. He said, be quick, but don't hurry. And this needs to be done, yes, but let's not hurry something through and regret it later. That's not a good thing. But we have very educated people on Capitol Hill. And I know that we, as Americans, can do this if we want to. Now, one thing that's going to hold the whole thing up is that it's the fact that there are a lot of people who actually work in the healthcare, profession that's on Capitol Hill. We have a lot of senators and congressmen that are healthcare officials or lobbyists or whatever, and they're going to not let any money be taken out of their pockets, just so that everybody have healthcare. They're not going to do that. They're not going to let their pockets get any thinner by helping somebody. It's just not in their genes, it's not in their makeup. They're not going to do it, period. But, now we have one good thing on our side. Now, we have a president who has this thing, it's a passion for him. And he's going to make sure, I feel that he's going to make sure that we do the thing right this time. Now, the Republicans, everything that he has to say, or every plan that he comes up with and he wants to do, they can find a reason why it's not going to work. Yeah, you can find a reason why his is not going to work, but why is your plan? You don't have one, do you? No, you don't. You can talk down everything that, you can tell everything he comes up with, you can tell why it's not going to work. Now, if you can tell why his is not going to work, tell me why yours is going to work. Can you do that? I don't think so. But all that aside, we need to put all this bickering, all this backbiting and politics put to the side, and let's do this thing for America. We need this done. And we can do it. I know we can. Come on. The Republicans have been in power for 20 years now. And you haven't even brought the reform up. It doesn't matter to you. Rich people, it doesn't matter. You have yours, and you're getting more. But this whole thing, it's going to stop now. It's going to stop now. And everyone's going to get their piece. It's got to be done. And I tell you one thing. Now, Republicans, you can talk about it. You can knock it down as long as you want to. But I would not count the president out. He's going to get this done, and it's going to be done now. It's not going to go into effect for a few years, but this is going to be done. I know it's going to be done, and America's going to be better in the process. Thank you, America. God bless you. Keep the faith.